All right, and special thanks to our friends at Aerogogo who were nice enough to send us this Tesla Model Y inflatable mattress. Now, I don't have a Tesla Model Y. I only have a Tesla Model 3, so I can't show you this in the car, but that's essentially what it would look like inside of your Tesla Model Y. And we can, of course, open it up and show you what we have here. So built-in inflate and deflate mini air pump, silent support structure, portable space-saving design, just their logo there. Some of the specs on the back here. Very, very nice. Their logo again. Some instructions. So you just unfold it, open that up, and it'll start automatically filling with air. These are great. So let's cut our seals and show you what comes in here. All right, what do we got? We've got, well, that's it for the box. Looks like everything's inside of this, which makes it a little easier. So they give you a nice carrying case, but this is what the inflatable mattress is in. So we can open this on up, and we got our carrying case, and then this is our full Tesla Model Y mattress. It's also this, which does this have? Oh wow, there's a little USB cigarette adapter with a USB-C cable. This must be to use the included pump here. See, so if I open this one up, it starts letting air in. So we can hit our little button. This is where you charge it at, and now it's inflating this mattress. Then of course, when you're done using it, just open up this side. You got the same little switch that sucks all the air out. And that's how you would use this. Nice and easy. Love that they include this. They didn't have to include this. This is a nice bonus. And it looks like your bag here has instructions for you if you need them. So thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send me this Tesla Model Y air mattress to unbox and show you. I hate I don't have a Tesla Model Y to put this in, but at the end of the day, it's a great mattress for your Model Y. It'll fit perfectly in the back seat with the seats down. It'll inflate in 1 minute and 20 seconds and deflate in about 90 seconds. And about 661 pounds can fit on this, so no worries of weight restrictions. So that'll do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.